In this video, you will learn how to add users to an Arreya channel. To begin, log into your account and navigate to the channel you wish to add users to. In your dashboard, click the Management menu at the top of the page, and then click Users. Click the plus New User button on the right side of the screen to add a user. Next, enter the name, email address, and password for the user account. If you wish to support single sign-on for the user, click the boxes for Google or Microsoft Azure, depending on which platform you use. Choose a desired role for the new user. When choosing a role for the user, remember that the owner role will allow the user to have full access to everything. The admin role will allow the user to change passwords, add channels, and make changes to billing features. The manager role will allow the user to access your Arreya content, and they will be able to add new viewers. The viewer role only allows the user to view the channel. If you have more questions about user roles, visit our knowledge base for more information. Lastly, before adding the user, be sure to click the Active toggle to make the user active. Click the Add User button. The new user should now appear in the Users list. If you wish to edit, disable, or delete a user at any time, you can do so by navigating to the Actions column and click the accompanying button. If you are still experiencing issues with adding users to your Arreya channel, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.